Hey y'all! Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lauren, and today I'm making a video about anxiety, but more specifically, anxiety tips. I'll just get right into it. Anxiety is different for everyone. For me, it comes with stomach aches and nausea, so I like to drink ginger ale. A lot of people think ginger ale and Sprite can be used interchangeably, but because ginger ale has ginger, that's what helps with stomach aches and nausea. Another thing I like to do is eat saltines if I have a stomachache or if I just feel too anxious to eat real food, then I'll just have a few of these. Like I mentioned before, I get stomach aches or nausea sometimes due to my anxiety, and I found that peppermint oil helps with nausea, so sometimes I like to put some in my diffuser at night if I'm feeling anxious or if I have a stomachache. I use lavender oil on such a regular basis. It is such a holy grail for me, and it's one of the most well-known essential oils to help with anxiety. I put it in my essential oil diffuser every night, and I like to use it in other forms such as sprays or roll-ons, such as this one. This is just a plain lavender roll-on that I use at night or anytime I'm anxious. I keep one in my purse when I go anywhere, in case I get anxious or have a panic attack. It's nice to have because it's easy to apply and it's super calming. If you do get anxious like me due to anxiety, or even if you get car sick or are pregnant and maybe have morning sickness, these are for you. These are for nausea relief, and I use them for my anxiety even though they're probably not meant for it, but they help me a lot. They work because there's a little thing inside the bracelet that pushes down on your skin, and you place it 3 fingers back from your wrist and in the middle. And that's where a pressure point is that can help reduce nausea and anxiety. If you want extra relief, you can even rub on the place where the little dot is. And if you don't want to buy one, you can always just rub on that spot yourself. Another thing I like to do for my anxiety, and also just to, treat myself, is to light candles. If you know me, you know that I literally love candles so much, so it's always, so relaxing and calming whenever I get to light my candles. I typically just light them at night before I go get my shower, so when I get out of my shower, my room smells good, and I just love them, and these are just the candles that I like using, at least at the moment. I know everyone has their own scent preferences. These are just the ones that I like. I personally like floral scents or summery scents, but whatever candle scent you like, you can light them and it'll help you calm down. Also, I just had to mention, how cute is that lighter? It's this little mini lighter I got at Bed Bath & Beyond. Also, just wanted to mention that I will be linking everything you see in this video down below, so check it out if you want. I love using essential oil diffusers, and this is the newest one I have that holds more water. I love using lavender oil because, like I mentioned before, it's great for anxiety. I got the little squeezy dripper thing off of another bottle of medicine, I think. I don't remember what it was, but you can probably buy them on Amazon if you want one. I like them a lot for these essential oils because it's easier to use a dropper rather than, pouring it in. Another thing I love to use is the Calm app. It's a meditation app that has different backgrounds of scenery or nature or whatever it might be, and they have, like I mentioned, meditation, and they also have this really neat breathing exercise. Because when you have panic attacks or anxiety, it's really important to breathe. I know it's so cliche, but taking time to take deep breaths is very important because it helps send messages to your brain that there is no threat, and it helps you calm down from a panic attack quicker. They also have guided meditations. My personal favorite is the body scan, and you could do it for as long or as little as you want. Another thing I like to do, either if I'm out in public or I don't have time to do meditation, is just to listen to some calming music. I have a playlist on my Spotify called Anxiety, and I'll have my Spotify linked down below if you want to go find that playlist. It has music, all instrumental and all calming. Okay, now on to more medicine type things. These are all natural things that can help you with anxiety. This is from the brand Herbalogic, I believe, and it is to help with anxiety and worry, which, you know, you girls got. And I take this every morning. I'm actually out of it right now, but I find that it helps me with my worry and anxiety. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I just wanted to do something a little bit different, and I kind of didn't want to just sit down and talk about it and show you guys. I wanted to show you guys and then just do a voiceover or something a bit different, so I don't know if you liked that or not. I enjoyed making this video, and those were just some of the tips and tricks for anxiety that help me, at least. I know everyone's anxiety is different, so what works for me and it might not work for you. Also, ignore my face, it looks gross. What else is new? My hair is a mess too, I just didn't... Yeah. But it's okay. It's whatever. Anxiety and panic attacks manifest themselves differently in every person who has it. So that's why I just wanted to make that disclaimer that what works for me might not work for you, and your anxiety might, you know, be different. So, yeah. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more if you haven't already. And until my next video, bye!